Using dark interior to refine your home color scheme. Dear friends, with the classic all-white interior design being used in every home with a minimalistic concept, some people have started to give attention for more colors to their home. You might also think that dark interior, or using darker color scheme in furniture will make your room look smaller. But nowadays, colors like dark shades of grays, blues, greens, etc., are being experimented by a lot of people who are leaning towards more rich, complex designs, with or without minimalism. So, how come some people prefer a darker scheme? It might be because of personal taste, but also, there are several benefits of using a dark interior for your home. Just keep reading to learn more. 1. More diverse visual appeal. Dark interior can provide a striking backdrop for artwork, furniture, and other decorative elements in your space. They can make your decor stand out and create a focal point in the room. With the right combination of elements, other colors in darker shades could offer striking visual appeal to a room. Whether it is a cozier look, or even a dramatic one, with a dark scheme, you have the opportunity to add character to your house, creating a more interesting and dynamic space. They can make a room feel larger or smaller, depending on how they're used. 2. Warmer and cozier atmosphere. Even in a small room, dark colors never fail to make your space feel extra warm and cozy. They can be used on the ceiling, walls, or even flooring. Dark colors can make a room feel more intimate and inviting. They can create a sense of warmth and coziness, making your space feel more comfortable and relaxing. If you want to create a sophisticated and modern look in your space, playing with dark interior can add a touch of elegance and refinement, making your room feel more luxurious and stylish. 3. Bring life to the room. You'll be amazed by how open and inviting it is when you take advantage of a well-contrasted furniture. If you have a lot of stuff to show in your room, you may want to consider choosing a dark color scheme. Interior can be used in a traditional, rustic, or modern setting, making it a great choice for those who like to change up their decor from time to time. 4. It is easier to maintain. It's the ultimate reason you must use a darker color scheme, especially when you have pets or small children. Darker walls or floorings are much more forgiving. You will realize that the dirt and other imperfections don't stand out, unlike what white or lighter walls and floorings do. Dark colors can be a great way to hide imperfections in your walls, such as cracks or uneven surfaces. They can also hide dirt and stains better than lighter colors, making them a practical choice for high-traffic areas. 5. Highly recommended for important rooms. Bedroom. Definitely suitable for dark colors, as it is a space for sleeping and relaxing. Unless your bedroom is a semi-home office, you might prefer a lighter scheme. Living room. For a more formal and modern-looking living room, dark scheme may be an option. Dining room. Dark colors have the emotional and dramatic impact to enhance your dining experience. Bathroom. It is a typical relaxation space like bedrooms, and with a darker color you can bring a sense of serenity inside. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.